Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. Today we are exploring the fascinating world of the theory of relativity. We will break down the concepts, discuss its applications, and provide a real-world example to help you grasp this mind-bending theory. The theory of relativity was introduced by none other than the legendary physicist Albert Einstein. At its core, this theory explores the relationship between space and time, ultimately challenging our traditional notions of how the universe operates. There are two main components of the theory of relativity: special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity deals with the behavior of objects moving at high speeds, while general relativity focuses on the effects of gravity on space and time. The applications of the theory of relativity are far-reaching and have revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. One of the most famous applications is the prediction of gravitational waves, which were recently detected by the LIGO experiment. These waves are ripples in space-time caused by massive objects accelerating through the universe. Additionally, GPS technology relies on corrections from general relativity to ensure accurate navigation, as satellites experience time dilation due to their high speeds and proximity to massive celestial bodies. To illustrate the concepts of the theory of relativity, let's consider a thought experiment known as the twins paradox. Imagine two identical twins, one who stays on Earth while the other embarks on a journey through space at near light speed. When the traveling twins returns, they would find that less time has passed for them compared to the sibling on Earth, due to the effect of time dilation caused by their high velocity. This example highlights the fundamental idea that time is not absolute, but rather a fluid concept that can be influenced by the conditions of one's surroundings. And there you have it, a simplified explanation of theory of relativity. We hope this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to delve deeper into the wonder of the universe. So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.